Isinusulong ng Presidential Communications Office ang pagtutulungan kasama ang Department of Justice at Department of Information and Communications Technology para sugpuin ang laganap na fake news at disinformation sa bansa. Ang PCO Secretary Jay Ruiz, nakababahala na nahati-hati at nag-aaway-away ang mga Pilipino dahil sa fake news. Dapat umanong tandaan ng mga gumagawa nito ng isang kasinungalingan ay nagbumukhang totoo na kapag paulit-ulit na itong sinasabi. Kaya dapat lang itong labanan.
The children right now spend more time on the cyber world. And if you give them constant disinformation, if you give them constant lies and negative news, what will happen to the next generation of Filipinos? We will forever be divided, just like what's happening in the United States. It's now happening in our country. It's so hard now to reach out to the yellows, to the greens, to the reds, or wherever political camp you belong to.